Hey y'all, hey, what's up? I decided to just kind of jump back on here today for a minute. I wanted to show you these are the earrings that's going to drop. Aren't they so cute? Oh my God, y'all. They are so freaking cute. They are one of a kind, different patterns, but they're going to be the brown and cream. I'm going to show you a pair, and I'm going to show you a few pair, okay? So some of them are going to be different, like these right here. These are a little more chocolatier, something like that, than these. So that's these right here. Okay, let me show you another pair. I'm just going to put them on here so you can see. And on the back, they have the post on the back, they're rubber. So, yeah. So if people are allergic to, see, those are different than these were. And they're different from the ones I have on. It's a little more cream in it, right? So this is part of the collection. And they all have Angelique Collection written on the back by moi. Okay. So that's another pair. Ain't they cute? They so cute. So they're going to be on the website. And then once people order, we just grab them from those cute. Now that's different from this. See the difference? And it's definitely different from these, and it's different from the pair. So I just wanted to show you a couple pairs so you could see. Yeah, oh, that hurt. I was on it's like on YouTube, and I look, at certain things on YouTube or whatever, and I like watching other makers, designers and stuff, because it's like we just need to support each other, okay? And I'm like, why we get less likes than anybody else? I guess I ain't gonna worry about it, sweetheart. But it's okay. Child, I don't even know why I said that. All right, y'all. So anyway, these are so cute. These are really cute. Look at that. So y'all, I'm getting ready to wind down. I hope you had a awesome, productive day today. Y'all know I always do like this so I can get the glare out my glasses. But at this point, listen, the glare is in there, okay? I think they have something, glasses or something. I don't know. They have something where the glare won't be in there. And it's probably depending on how I'm positioned, too, with the light and stuff. So, I don't know. But I will tell you this now. So like I said, I be on there looking for real people. Now, don't get me wrong. I told you before, if you go over and listen to my podcast, the Angie B podcast, I talked about basically real versus fake, something like that. I don't remember if that's not really the title of it, but you can go over there and listen to it. Anyway, I talk about how, I don't mind AI and everything. I don't. I use it sometime, with certain things because it just kind of helped me with production, but not when I'm making my earrings out. Not when I'm making my handbags. All of that's done by hand. And everything that I do is hand painted, whatever. I try to show you behind the scenes in my studio, which is a hot mess because, baby, listen. I don't know. It just is, but I'm getting ready to straighten that sucker up, but I always straighten up and clean up after that. So in the midst of doing that, I had to do I'm doing some t-shirts for a brand, and so I had to send out my thing for digitizing, and so that's another thing. So I sent it out for digitizing, and it's just me talking random and just telling y'all about my day and whatever. And so I did do that, send it out, and I had to look at it. So when I got it back, I had to run it. So I don't put it on the actual shirt that it's going on because I don't really know how it's going to turn out. So what I do is I take a, scrap piece of fabric and stuff and run it on there, and then I could see it. And then I saw that on one part of it, the thread was too loose. So I ended up taking a screenshot of, while I finished the whole design and just told them the little changes that I need. So I uploaded that back and put it back in there. Oh, I do have something that I want to show you. I am adding I guess you could say it's a Market Tote bag, but you can use it for whatever you want to use it for. You know, you could use it every day, daily. So let me get it for you so you can see. This is it, y'all, and it's embroidered on the front. It's still in the collection with the cream. I hope you can see that. I don't have no light. And then it has art, you know, painted on the back. I embroidered Angelique Collection on it. It's a really good tote. I put some stuff in it so you can see how wide, you know, how it opens, how wide it opens and stuff like that. So I wanted you to see that. But this is going to be one, you know, for people who want to support, you know, Angelique Collections. Okay, y'all. Before I go, I wanted to jump back on here real quick and just let you know that, you know, it's not easy running a business. So my phone actually went out. They saying that I don't have enough storage. You hear me there saying, you know how when you pay your phone off, they want you all of a sudden to start, they want you to buy a new phone. So now all of a sudden I don't have enough storage. Baby, I'm going to hold on to that phone, and I done paid it off too, till it don't work no more. Okay? So, yeah, whatever. So, yeah, I just want you to know, as a small business owner, y'all, it ain't easy running a business. I know people behind the scene, they show all these beautiful rooms and all of these thousands of orders. Don't worry about that. Do what you can do and do what you do. All right? It'll work out. You just have to be consistent. That's what they say. So I just wanted to jump on there and say that. And you know what? When you can support a small business, do that. Okay? Support a small business when you can. Be like I said, it's easier for the big box and big brands because people, that's what they used to, and that's what they used to shopping at, right? So, you know, when you can support a small business, try to do that. All right, so y'all, I am done. That's it for today. Like I said, it's time for me to start. This is my chill time. I've been out here working. I've been working all day. I get up really early because I got the lunch on Saturday at noon, the soft lunch. I'm excited about that. A lot of people have been asking me about it, and they've been signing up to the online at the news on my website for the newsletter. So I'm excited about that. Well, the mailing list, whatever, you know. So yeah, anyway, I think that's all I wanted to say. I did have one more thing to say. It's so much fake stuff on the internet now, and it's so much fake stuff on YouTube. It is. I'm like, oh my goodness, where's the real people? So I've been searching for the real people. Now, don't get me wrong, like I said earlier, it's not that I don't like the AI, because I do use it for certain things. But, however, my videos and behind the scenes, baby, it's real. Real. All right, I'll talk to you later. Peace. Don't forget about Saturday at 12 noon Eastern Standard Time, the Angelique Collection soft launch. See you then. Peace. Uh-oh. I want to show you this since I have some light on it. Look at that. All right. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you soon.